Okay, welcome to another episode of Fix It. Today we have a sink drain. We're going to change this. It's all corroded. It won't come off, so we're just going to change this whole top assembly with the pop-up. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the drain on this one. This is a Moen drain. I'm going to just loosen this by turning it counterclockwise. And then there's a nut up here that threads into the drain base. Got a large channel lock. Loosen it. Yeah, I already loosened it. Just take one turn to loosen it. You should be able to finger loosen it down counterclockwise again to loosen this nut out. And then this should be loose. And then we're going to undo the back here. There's a nut that holds in the flapper, pop-up flapper, whatever you call it. And then we're going to take that, push it in, or pull it out actually, and then pull up the pop up the top. Okay, I'll spare you the gore that's hiding under here, but you're going to, underneath I unplugged the pop-up, so this will just come up. It's loose. Oop, don't look. And then you're going to turn this top plate counterclockwise to get it off of the drain base. And that should come completely off. Okay. Alright, so this is the part. It comes with the pop-up and the outer ring. That's the number Moen, part number 16051. And then we're going to go and put, it's a little tricky, you got to put the pop-up into the drain and this side to the back. Alright, so we're going to take the new plate and thread it back onto the drain pipe. Nice and easy. Might want to clean underneath there a little bit so it fits nice and snug against the bottom of the sink. Okay. Just get it tight, and then you're going to take your pop-up with the flat part to the back with the hole. It's going to be facing towards the sink handle. Drop it down, pull your pop-up rod on the bottom out, and put it back in the hole in the bottom. And I'll show you underneath. So you're going to take this pop-up rod and push it back in. Once it flips up on the top, you'll see the whole thing coming up top. Oh, you'll see this. All right. Then you'll know it's okay to tighten this nut back on. Push it all the way in, and then secure your nut back on here clockwise, as tight as you can get it, because that needs to be watertight. Okay, then we're going to tighten this lock nut back on tight. Use your channel locks to cinch it back down. And then I'm going to tighten this guy, the drain on there. Make sure that's good. Nice and tight, hand tighten that one. Okay, you have to have everything tightened up. Your drain and your lock nut up here with the channel locks. Just get one last check for leaks underneath, and looks good. Another successful repair. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Take care.